Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Hi everyone, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth Annie. I'm going to be doing a Friday reset. I don't want to do it on Sunday because I want to focus more on my studying. So today I have to fix my bed, clean my room, mop my room, do my laundry, and then I have to cook a couple things to eat. And it's just a couple things I just have to fix here and there. And then yeah, my room's a complete mess right now. Like, I don't even want to show you guys. I don't even want to show you guys because it's really bad. But this is to help you guys more than to help me, because me cleaning my room is gonna help motivate you to get up and clean your room too. Like, my lips is so dry. Okay, specifically I have a lot of things today because like this whole week I think I just been like piling up on laundry, obviously, and then I'll be forgetting like but you know what? I'm gonna get my cleaning supplies today. I like literally forgot to rub my lips together. Alright, let me show you guys my room right now. It's actually a big mess. And that's my laundry. I haven't took my trash out in a while. This is all the cleaning supplies I will be using because, period, I need my cleaning supplies. First, I'll probably start with making my bed. I'm done fixing my bed. It looks very neat. So now I'm just gonna pick up like the clothes I have on the floor because I don't even know what be happening. Oh my god, this sounds so bad. Like, what is going on with me? My desk is also a hot mess because God knows what I do with my desk. This is what my desk looks like. I just put a bunch of stuff everywhere. I think I forget to put stuff back, so that's why there's a lot of stuff going on. It's only a span of a week, but this is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna pick up the stuff I have on the floor, and then I'm gonna go load my laundry because I think that's important. And then while I'm loading my laundry, I'll do whatever the rest I have to do in here. I mean, while my clothes are in the laundry, I'll do the rest of what I have to do here. But yeah, I'm gonna just pick up stuff now.
I know get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down. Biggie man, we don't be where I back down. Tell me, what's it going? You are gone, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it going? You are gone, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the money. Tell me, what's it go?
Okay, I'm done loading the laundry. So I'm kind of tired, but who wouldn't be? I still have so much to clean upstairs in my room, and then now I'm just probably gonna take an eating break. And honestly, hopefully it doesn't run too long because I have a lot of things to do. I have yet to open this, so I'm gonna open it today and see if I like it, because I do like sausage, egg, and cheese. I don't like bacon. That's a fun fact about me. Comforting Don't come for me. Bacon is disgusting. But hopefully this tastes good. I can't believe there's only 4 in this box because that's kind of like a side eye, but I think it should be microwavable. And I love croissants, so this should be really good. If it's not good, I will have to sue. Let's make myself a glass of vanilla chai over here. It is very good. I highly recommend it. And yeah, go get it. Okay, the egg sausage and cheese was really good. I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. So I'd recommend anybody to get it. Honestly, if you see it at the grocery store, get it. You like egg and sausage and cheese? That combination is fire. So now I'm gonna like focus on cleaning my desk over here. As you guys can see, it is a complete mess. But it's not gonna be that bad.
She don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop going where I want.
just some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause in New York.
I also really love me some Fabuloso because it's so amazing. Like I had to put it in a spray bottle to spray it everywhere because I love the smell. And it just like gives me the feeling of a refreshed room after. Okay, so my mic didn't pick me up me talking. But basically I'm about to sweep and then I'm going to mop with my Swiffer Wet Jet. Not a sponsor, but they are the best like tool. I don't know why I still have the dustpan on the broom, which is so funny, but hey, at least I'm sweeping.
Okay, so I finished sweeping. I finished dust mopping. It's like a dust, what's it called? A dust Swiffer. So now I'm just gonna disinfect and I'm going to get my Swiffer Wet Jet. This is not an ad, but this is really good. You should get one. It's not a sponsor, not an ad, but like whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna spray also Fabuloso on the floor because it's like the best thing to ever exist on mankind, and it smells so good in here, which I am so proud of myself for. That's all for that. Now I'm going to get into like my floor. I am officially done at 5 p.m. Like it feels like I've been doing this all day, but I did wake up at 11 a.m. and then ran to the store and I probably did that for like an hour and a half. So, not complain. But my room is nice. The only thing I have left to do is laundry. And I'm gonna end off this video with me eating ice cream. I don't think you guys want to see me like fold my laundry. I mean, you probably do, but I'm not gonna show you guys because honestly I'm tired. But I am gonna end the video off with me eating ice cream, and I'm gonna show you guys ice cream I like. And I also do work in an ice cream shop, if you didn't know. So the best ice cream shop ever. If you're ever in the store and you don't know what to buy, I highly recommend the Haagen-Dazs Dulce de Leche and the Haagen-Dazs Creamy Mango. 10 out of 10. This is 10 out of 10. Please, please, this is the best ice cream you'll ever taste in your life, bro. Honorable mention, I would love to say these orange cream bars are pretty good. This is my roommate's, but she says I can like have some. So yeah, but any like orange cream bars you see at the store, if you like oranges, you will love this because it's really good. It's like orange with like vanilla, like inner ice cream or whatever. My waffle babies, my waffle cones. Oh my god, I love waffle cones. These actually taste like waffle cones. Like it does not taste like sugar cones. So also highly recommend. So I'm kind of craving both ice cream right now. I'm not gonna put both of them in the cone though because I don't like fruity ice cream in a waffle cone. I like milky ice cream in a waffle cone. I don't know if that sounds weird, but I just cannot have this creamy mango in a cone. Like, it would taste weird. So I'm gonna eat this later, but I'm gonna get this dulce de leche in the cone. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. I know it was all over the place because I was cleaning all over the place, but overall I got my job done. I just wanted to clean my room. Like, it's been 2 weeks. But over here I have my caramel ice cream. So I'm going to eat it. I'm going to nobble it up. Like, I'm going to nobble it up. If you want to see more videos from me or anything you want to see specific, you can let me know down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you can clean, or I motivated you to do something productive for today. If not, then maybe next time. Thank you. Ten out of 10.